The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So I'm at a place that I've been to years ago, way before I even started doing YouTube and filming and sharing my experiences. Now the last time I was here, the experience for me was just amazing. It was a great experience. But back then they had mentioned to me that there is going to be a couple new stuff that they would be adding, and that's what I'm here to see today, if they've added it. Actually, I know they've added it because it is in the description of this place and whatever. And we are at the Chukka Good Hope Estate. Now if you guys are familiar with Chukka Cove, you might know that it's one of those attractions that you go horseback riding, river trekking, all a bunch of stuff. And this one here is in the Falmouth Trelawney area, so if you're ever in Trelawney, you guys can come here and check it out. Now things have changed quite a bit. It seems somewhat deserted because we are currently in, you know, those times, so not a bunch of people appear to be here. So we're trying to find the reception area right now, and we're just walking through this little bamboo appearing little alley, hoping that we can get to the right spot. So I can definitely hear some, it's either the trees are here, river all the way down there. But anyway, once we get situated, I'll come back and I'll tell you guys all about it. And now we made it to the reception area. First off, I think the signage is poor as hell, because where we went to park, that's where we parked. Well, that's where I parked years ago. So yeah, so anybody who's coming here, you don't have to park up top, you can drive all the way, come down. And it's so funny, there was nobody up there, there's no staff members up there. It does feel like a ghost town. But yeah, all the way down here, I do see the, like in YS Falls, they have that truck with the, like the tractor experience, but yeah, nothing was up there. So anyhow, we are here and we are about to enjoy this awesome experience. Bless us. All right, so we're about to start for our zip lining experience. So I might not be able to take you guys on that experience too well, because as they mentioned at YS Falls, they actually have the braking system, a manual braking system. Here you have to be in control of that, so I might not be having the GoPro any at all in terms of filming that part. So but it's a good thing to know for persons who are a little bit afraid of zip lining. Here it's a little bit different. All right, so in this spot it looks very spooky. Seems like they're about to off us, but yeah, yo, quick little thing, I tied my GoPro onto my key little thing just so it don't fall off, but I'm definitely still not going to bring it on regardless. So all right. Oh guys, yo, I'm say it's been an ordeal just to get you guys filmed in on this part. Bless up. Alright guys, like I mentioned before, they were like super awesome with helping us to first of all get a helmet with a mount, wait on us to mount the GoPro on. So you know, that's a whole vibe. So let's get this video to 1,000 likes, man, because these people were epic. Huh? Oh yeah, that's perfect. You ready? And while we're here, we have to put our Crocs into sports mode. All right.
Is it the first one?
Hmm? No man, which first one? I tune in line this one.
Oh, he's just showing us how to do our stuff.
Yeah. Alright, so by the way, afternoon to both of you.
Bless up, bless up.
My name is Tevin.
Bless up, Tevin.
Tevin Campbell.
No, not Tevin Campbell, just Tevin.
You know that, Tevin?
Yeah, but actually my cousin named me after him, you know.
Oh.
Okay.
But I don't like.
You can't sing?
No, I don't like the mixture to be confused.
Yeah, straight up.
Just saying. Let's just get that. Alright, so first thing I want to do is to welcome you to Chukka Good where it's always time to play.
Nice.
Now for today you do 5 zip line. It's just 2 persons. So approximately 15 minutes or 20 minutes and we finish.
Makes sense. Nice.
Now the other guides you have Fitzroy and you have Wayne. So 3 of us will be your guides. We're gonna take you through the course.
Okay, cool.
Now I know that you done zipline already, but I will still give you a safety demonstration before you go to refresh your memory of what to do, what not to do. So naturally in any activity such as this, safety is very important. Now for our part, we do everything possible to prevent problems.
So that's in case we get stuck, we pull ourselves back across.
Alright, so several things can cause you to slow down.
Yeah.
It is possible that you brake too much, or some of the lines are not as fast, and you may just be a little bit from the platform.
Okay, got you.
So it's not like you're gonna get stuck in the middle of the line, you know. You might be a few feet from the platform.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
So that's all there is to it. Even if you forget everything, it's okay. We will remind you.
So they can't come get away from anything?
Yes, man. If you get stuck and you can't pull yourself, we will come and get you.
You won't
So
get
quick
stuck,
recap.
though.
This means
Break.
Break.
this one mean,
Let go.
and this one mean.
Knees up.
That's all.
You break behind. You don't
Behind.
put it
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Gently up.
Gently.
Got you.
So
All
the
right.
thing about it, we may never ask you to brake, but as I said,
So this is our training lines. We just did our training demonstration just now. I actually like this zip line experience a bit more because it's more interactive.
Yes.
I like
yes.
that. I like that. It's a lot more interactive.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome explanation by our tour guide. And we are ready. Kevin. All right, let's go. I'm excited. It does feel a lot different. Yep. Okay, so you're going first.
So I can take your pictures.
No problem.
Oh God, a long time minutes.
He's gone.
Oh, you don't know.
Whew.
I feel nervous.
You nervous?
I don't know why I feel nervous when I've done this like so many times, right?
Because this one is different, you know? Looks different. Okay.
You did this year when you came in last month?
Yeah, but I don't think it was, I don't remember. Because they added a few more zip lines, I believe.
You come far away from here?
It's far.
Don't.
It's pretty far. Whoa.
So you just hold it with both hands, you say, that's it, yeah. Then you put in break, okay?
So who's gonna go first?
I'll go first.
Everything set up properly?
No, yet, man. Check, man. So you put your finger through here and here. Okay. So this is how you hold it, and if you need to brake, then this is the hand that you would release and glide.
The lower hand, okay. Gotcha.
Not it, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Whoop! Whoop! Ready?
Yep.
Do your thing. Stand up, bro. You good?
Yeah, man.
I grew up!
Come on, bro.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, that's an awesome one. That's a good pick. All right, Jilly is on her way to us. So excited!
Okay, bro.
Yeah, man. That one I require for break?
No breaking.
Okay, so not good.
All of them, bro. One there, next one right there.
Right here, so?
Yeah. All of it any communication, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it, bro. Go forward.
Oh my gosh, the adrenaline.
Afro!
Oh, keep hearing it.
Oh, shit, I thought I'd have to,
Pull up yourself.
yeah, I don't know. You're done. I said no.
Afro! Zip!
Oh, you know. Don't put air on it. Put it up there. Walk it then, maybe.
I walk down.
You work on this thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Yo. It's like a, yo. Oh, yo. Bro. I'm sorry for hitting you guys up like that. My bad. With the GoPro. It's directly on top. Yo. It's nerve-wracking, right? Ah! You're shaking the lines. You hand on the other line, babe. Is that as, yeah, guide yourself with that. Come, just come. So just so you guys know, they practice international grade ziplining measures. So everything here is top notch, and they have given really good instructions, good clear instructions, and it seems to know what they're doing. So far, that's the vibe. I like the interaction, especially with the bridge coming across. That's really cool. Woo!
You guys good?
You're awesome, man. All right, so as Jilly had asked them earlier, because I know you guys might be wondering, you know, why is it so sparse, like not many people here? This place is actually built for the cruise ships that come into the Falmouth Pier, so usually there's like hundreds of people that is here. But using the pandemic, it's been pretty good for traveling because not many people are going to be around here at this point in time. So it feels like you get the whole property to yourself, basically. So we don't have to be joining any long lines. It's just the two of us and the staff. So that's pretty cool. All right, so she's gonna try to jump off like the tour guides. Cause they jump off real.
Yeah, but keep your legs up all the way.
Because we go on speed then. When you ready?
Yeah. Hey, mama.
Oh my god. Oh.
Stop now. Cho.
Oh, that's cool. That's dope.
You try.
Stand up, bro.
I did.
Stand up. Get on that side for me. Up! Stay ready, bro.
Alright, I will.
Zip! Zip!
Yeah. So she's here taking photos and stuff. Yeah, it's super important to just listen to the instructions. Like, you are just like a puppet at this moment. Anything they tell you to do, just go for it. Woo!
okay?
Yeah,
Keep the knees
that
up.
was good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Go there, you can't step down here. Afro up!
where this lead to?
Hmm?
On about.
Yeah,
One more
right
bridge.
again.
Never run hour.
Zip!
Yeah, you're good.
You guys please see what you step, okay?
Alright. This is exciting. It's really good.
We're very excited on here, everyone.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Alright, so now we're doing a bit of hiking, so we're going through these parts here. It's a huge property. Yo, how big is the property? How many acres?
2,000.
Whoa. 2,000 acres of land. That is immense. Alright. Catch you guys when we get to the next stop. So we're at number 4. For the unfit, it's like a 200-meter walk or so. It's not that bad.
Yeah, so this line is the longest and the fastest line.
Okay.
This line is over like 750 feet.
Okay.
Yeah, so no braking, okay?
No braking.
Yeah, full speed. We call this one the Fast and Furious 9.
Oh, she go first. Yeah, she go first.
Taking.
No braking. Fast and Furious.
Is it on the right side?
When you say the one, you say the comfortable. You have to lean back, eh? Because you know about anybody touch your brake.
But I say when you reach the exit point, don't stretch out your legs. Can give you more, give you closer to the tree. But keep it bending in.
The miserable friend kill me. When I go there. So you guys having fun?
Man, great time.
Where you guys from?
Kingston. You don't have to kill those mosquitoes, because I'm going to be moving faster than them. No.
We end up back at the top? We end up back where we started?
Whoop. Huh?
Where we're going to end up back where we started?
Yeah.
Or we can get to the car?
You go, bro.
Good.
But just keep your legs up, okay?
Yep. Oh God.
Welcome back to Earth.
Welcome back. It's good to be back.
Approach, sir, approach.
Woo! Oh my God, what is that?
Break.
I feel like something just
The break.
eat you down. Yeah. My friend, I'm never going to dead now. It's nice though.
Zip.
Oh my gosh. Amazing. Not just the zip lining, but like the entire location as a whole, man. It's beautiful. So, quick funny story. We're all the way out here trying to zip line, and Jilly wanted to bring her coldest bottle. I was just like, yo.
Last one, this?
Yep. It would have been nice to bring it, but
What? Oh,
the shoulder.
yes it be. On the door thingy. I mean, I'll say it again. Wait.
Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand funeral.
Oh, look at that mosquito. Damn, it's a dragonfly.
No, make sure we get that. Yeah, we're going to
Jamaica is surrounded by what? Water and what?
wood and water.
Wood and water. How much percent of Jamaicans can swim?
Not many.
80%.
What? Eh? Yeah, she said you mustn't catch her. Go. Bye. You ready? Keep your legs up. Ready. Go. Keep your legs up, man.
And look.
That was fun though.
That was very fun.
You see him, guy?
Man, her eyes were peeped all the way open. I enjoyed that because we came back safe and sound. That's always the best part. Woo! Oh, look at the water, man. Huh? What happened? Oh, picture. Okay. Thank you. All right, so took the GoPro off of the helmet now, and we're just here. I'm walking back to my mask tour, so we're going back to the car. But let me tell you, Fitzroy, Tevin, and Wayne have been fantastic. So whenever it was, it was super awesome. I'm not gonna lie. So whenever you guys forward down to Chukka Good Hope, if you don't see them, then that's that. But you know, everybody here is well trained, and let me tell you, man, my favorite, my highlight of everything was them waiting for us to. No, sorry. Was actually getting the mount for the helmet. I mean, it's a small act in customer service that actually go a far way. So big up to them for actually allowing this video to be filmed, so you guys can see all the tips and tricks of ziplining.
Hold on, they. That's where the river tubing from too?
No, they'll take us back down.
Hard thing about it, guess what you do? When you go up, just drive pump up.
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, yeah.
Gotcha. All right, so in the beginning we had parked at the top. Now we're going all the way back down to, I guess, would be preferable parking, so you're closer to every single thing. Yo, let me tell you, man, I can't say this much. You guys can know when you're watching my videos, you know when I'm not the happiest, when I'm just calm, when I'm super happy. I'm super happy with the customer service thus far. It has been amazing. So we're heading back down so we can do the river tubing and as much as we can for today, because we have to head back into Kingston, and it's somewhere around 3 o'clock right now. They close at 5. Guys, so we, that just figured out, like, my bottle like blends in with the whole of these lockers behind us. Is ridiculous. Anyways, so we just got back. We're doing a quick little change off so we can head to this river tubing thing. We definitely drop the tip. Whenever you guys are, linking up with these good tour guides, drop some good comments on TripAdvisor. Once they're doing their job well, these guys did their job really well. So we dropped a tip, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do something, drop a review on tour, whatever. But we're doing a review here on YouTube right now. So anyway, Julie's getting changed and everything, and yeah, I'm super excited about this trip so far. Yeah, even though I've been here before, but it's still exciting because they've added some new stuff to the spot. Thank you, sir.
No, you can come and choose it from here. The cashier said.
All right, so we put on our vest and everything, and yo, I can't wait for the river tubing part. I wonder if it's gonna be like super relaxing or whatever. But yeah, that's the vibe right now.
Have I done it?
He's the Green Ranger.
Okay. Hi. Let me come in first.
Wow, they called me Mr. Steven. It beats being called Soai all the time. People always say Soai. Anyway, we're heading on to this right now. The faithful and trusty van. All right.
I can't wait for the river water.
Oh yeah, I know what you
Just
mean.
feel it on my skin.
Trust me. Oh yeah, we just put on bug spray just now. It is burning. It's burning real bad. That's also something I really want to work on, a product I really want to work on, because I don't really mess with too many chemical stuff if I don't have to. So anyway, one step at a time. So we're just here waiting, and then we can get to relaxation, yeah?
was here, I did the ATV tour, and I remembered we would drive all the way through the orange fields like we are doing right now. Is that one of them? This is one of them, right? One of the tracks, them, yeah. Is it, Mr. Yes, I don't know. Go back here. So our river guide at the back is saying to us that because of the whole situation with the pandemic and whatever, they started to use the great house a lot more for people who want to rent it out and whatever. So because the ATV is coming with a bunch of noise, yeah, it kind of is what they call noise pollution. So instead of doing that, they started doing more eco-touristic stuff that's a little bit more quiet. So that's the vibe right now. How do you feel though, like with the whole bumpy ride? That's a part of the experience, right? It is a part of it. This is like a free massage.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going over this part. All right. Yo, it feels like a whole different world in
No,
it. It's so much different.
Every area is just different.
I mean, it's 2,000 acres, right?
So it's only one. Is one person per kayak? Two per tube? One?
You want to share tube with me, don't?
Yes. So let's see me that in the same tube.
So you're going to put it together.
Yeah, it's gonna be
No, sir.
like a snail.
Normally I'd be taking off my life jacket, but I'm not doing that today.
Oh, hell no.
Not with the river.
Nope.
I'm over river.
Funny. Alright, so we got the river tube.
Yeah, for me.
No way.
Christian, can you all swim?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What's the deepest part of the river?
Thank
Like
you.
this, oh, for real? How deep is it?
65 feet.
How much? 65?
So how long is the entire puberty?
45 minutes up to an hour. Depends. So now, a couple days ago, the river was like, you can see those iron.
So you can see all the way down. Oh, you couldn't?
You couldn't see the iron.
Oh, got you.
That the water was like brown and high over the iron. So if you take a swim, you can eat the iron and you don't know.
Oh, okay, got you.
Yeah. So that's why the water was, no, the water is nice and calm. It was completely depends on the guy who's pumping it. So they put that in.
Oh, you are the
So
engine?
you weren't being this?
Yeah, and I pull you down.
Alright, I got you. Sounds like a vibe to me.
All this work.
Alright. Yeah. And we're up. Jaja. So what's kind of messed up, guys, the battery's on like 7%, and you don't know, I never brought another, well, I have another battery but not here. Would have gotten wet, so I guess I can actually just relax and just enjoy this thing, you know. So if you don't see us much, we're just on the tube, chilling, going down the river, and having a great vibe. I don't know there, so the tour guide,
Yeah,
man, so
outside.
I want to go in.
So we got 7 o'clock, you know?
Yeah.
7 o'clock. We're floating on today is the Martha Bray,
Okay.
the mysterious river. You know why it's mysterious?
Why?
Because a lot of gold is inside. You have to jump in to know why it's mysterious. Yeah, man? Right. This river name after an old witch lady. Name is Martha.
Okay.
Yeah. She was a Taínos lady. She got a lot of gold, and the Spaniard heard that she got the gold, so they chuck her here to Jamaica. And the river, she take the river banks for herself, and they chuck him to the river banks. And she's She's a rich lady. She used magic and changed the river course. And so everyone drowned. Both her groups
And
with she and all this money, they all drowned. And a lot of gold is inside this river. So you have to jump in to know why it's mysterious to find some gold.
You say you passed on the goal, right?
Yeah, just before.
Yeah. I'm good.
Get back!
Hello.
You see?
Stop it, you know.
Yo, he trying to. Yo, do this shit.
Missing tail.
Oh, he trying to say that there's a mermaid here, huh? River Mama. Bruh. He full of style.
So you don't have life, man?
No, we don't need this.
He's good. You know what he's doing. Anyway, we are gonna enjoy the rest of this.
So guys, nothing inside this water to worry. No crocodile, no piranha, no shark.
So funny story, I don't know if the tour guy is trying to mess with us, but he said there's snapping turtles in here.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's interesting. So snapping turtles are I thought these were mostly like in the US and other countries, but okay, that's interesting.
So you guys have all the way from town come here?
We're actually in the grill
Yeah.
for a couple of days, then we on the way back we just stopped here. So you have to make the gas wait a while, you know.
Yeah. So you guys like a drive through, you never book or nothing?
No, we booked for like a month ago. And you want like a
What's the way here?
okay. Yo. Yo, how are you guys not in Jamaica as yet? I don't understand. I don't get it. Little Matrix.
Boy, chubby!
Yo, so the bamboo tree was kind of, he's like, you gotta do the Matrix. I was like, oh! Oh, you good? You alright? Your toe?
No, battery.
Oh, the stone, you felt it. Oh my god.
Alright, you know,
If I never lifted it, right? I saw that it was too low for us to go under, so I was like, yo, let me just lift it, because like, it was too low.
hey my brother, on your body, right? Which part is your bravest part on your body?
On your body?
The bravest part, your bravest part.
Probably my feet, maybe.
No?
Where?
Your hand.
Oh.
Alright, look. If someone gonna eat, I got a mushy, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop at you. What you gonna do? You're gonna put your hand to block it.
Yeah, that's true.
If something jumping from the tree, a branch jumping, you're gonna put your hand to block your head.
That is so true.
Yeah,
So
man,
true.
This is your bravest part, bro.
So true.
Then your eyes is like, what do they say now? You see things before, you know,
Yeah.
it happened. Yeah.
That's what I do, boo.
I don't know, why would I do that? Because what my eyes are, alright? If I dirt and dirt, you don't go so, pick it up.
Coming, you see when we just started, they tell you that you got the dam.
The dam is up there, yeah.
So this is the aqueduct from all the way down. See the big water across the first one?
Yeah.
You see the little tunnel?
Yeah.
This is the same water coming all the way back into the bottom and you're going to see the water wave. So this water, good water to drink. You see they come out to the hole right there, so you can find them through the riverbank coming up through the dirt. So, you know, when you take the water, they come like a crystal clear.
Got you.
Beautiful drink. Yes. Nice.
Alright, so we are headed to the water slide. Yeah, my battery died while I was out there. And you don't know the things that already, but it was a good thing because I get to relax a little bit and just chill out, and that was just a vibe for itself. In general, again, tour guide was amazing, good sense of humor. And I only wish we came here on a day where it was the sun shining and everything like that. As you guys can see, it is a little bit gloomy today, but not little bit gloomy, very gloomy. But anyway, we're gonna head to the water slide and chuck off down into the pool. All right, change of plans. So it's a little bit late, so the lifeguard is not there, so we can't do that. So we're gonna go over to do the rum tasting. I hope you guys will be able to see because I'm on the GoPro right now. But yeah, we're gonna do some rum tasting and see how that goes. All right, so you guys, you see the aging barrels over there and that type of thing. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're in this space, so we're gonna sit down. Oh. Pick any seat, my lady?
Here. No, this is here.
Okay.
30 minutes.
Yeah, but it's a bit late, got you.
And room tasting usually close like 3:30.
Okay.
I mean, the last tour normally start 3:30. Sorry.
You just, oh my god. yeah. That's funny.
That's fine.
Pretty good. We can drink it now?
That's fine.
Okay. Yeah, he was right.
Yeah, it does.
Now the second one you'll be tasting is, you know, it's on your Mavic said the reserve blend,
Okay.
which normally make up of 20 selected age rounds.
Whoa.
However, this one that you'll be drinking today now, this one is an 8-year-old.
8-year-old.
Yes, that means this one aged for 8 years, and this is the youngest in that blend. Also good to make a luxury cocktail.
I think it's the one that I like. It's smooth. Is it 8 years old? Yeah.
Most people like this one.
Love it. So,
You taste it.
just a quick tip, just because of the COVID protocols and such, you know, we are using this. But apart from that, it would have been a more exquisite experience. But yeah, gives you a good insight to the flavors of these stuff because the 12-year-old is probably like $8 grand up.
The
So,
reserve would go for $45,
okay.
and the signature blend for 30.
Yeah, I'm definitely going for the highest one.
And the 21, the 21-year-old is for $175.
Yeah, about 18 grand.
Yo, this one kind of, it's weird, but you could almost say it's kind of creamy-ish. It's not, there's no milk in it, but it's just mellow. I'm not really a rum fan, but since I tried, no, it's a 12-year-old I had in the cabinet. Yeah, since I've been having a 12-year-old, I'm sold. It's good. What did you think about it?
It was good. The 12-year-old is good. Just wondering if I'm going to be able to be your guide when you're driving around.
Hell yeah. All right, so our guide here was Orlando. You see me? It was so funny when he took off the mask. He was just like, yo, Asai. Because they don't know the hairstyle change and everything. But yo, very informative, told us a lot. And it's amazing meeting people who watch the videos and they're amazing guides as well. You see me? It's a vibe. All right, I will not lie to you. Today has felt like a VIP experience. Primarily because we thought that, you know, we wouldn't be able to use the slides today, which I was okay with because we got here late, you know.
And Romar is going to take you up to the top.
Awesome.
All right. Thanks, Susan.
You know, so I thought that we weren't going to be able to use the slides today. I thought that I wouldn't be able to, you know, record the zip lining part, and they have been ultra accommodating to make sure. So the whole point of these videos is to show you guys what to do before you get here so you don't fall into the trap. So get here as early as possible. We just stopped by because we are heading back into Kingston, and yeah, we're about to hit those slides and get so excited. All right, so they're saying that we can wade through, and I'm always down for the experience of stuff. It's a lot more fun that way. So we're going to wade all the way up. Oh, the water is warm.
Wade
Super warm.
in
Love
the
it.
water, children. Oh,
It's waist deep. Yeah, I really wish it was very sunny today, but that's fine. That's fine.
that is sun already.
So we can wade. I wonder if we go up there. Oh yeah, we can climb.
There's like a two slide. Okay.
I'm happy for it because again, they didn't have to do it. A quick insider, if you guys are getting here probably in the next couple months or to a year, they're building log cabins just along the river. So that's something that you guys should be able to check out. And I mention it because they're very progressive. I was here a couple years ago. They said they're going to build water slides and everything, and they did do it. And those are almost done. So that's going to also be a great experience for persons who just want to be on property. Trust me, for amusement parks and stuff, I don't mind being on property where I'm getting all the nature and I can use the property as much as possible. So let's see how that goes. All right, so we are climbing this part up to get all the way to the top to the water slides. So we're at the selfie area. So we are gonna take this amazing selfie. I think it probably might be this one. Feels pretty good. I hope we got it. I think that should be it. Yeah, so we're just looking off. That's pretty cool that they added this selfie part, you know? Because everybody's on the gram. Yeah, everybody's up for the social media. One more for you, because I'm not really a photo person. Hey. All right. Why me go first? Why you not go first?
Man, God, make man.
All right. Is there any rules to this? No? Just do our thing. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! I can't see nothing! Oh! Whoa! Okay. Now I can see. Wait! Oh my gosh! I'm starting to slow down. Why am I going so slow? Woo! Oh snap! Oh snap! That was amazing, man. That was intense, right?
That was amazing.
Oh my gosh, at one point I was like, yo, why slow it down? You fell apart?
Yes, that's two slides.
We can go again?
One more, two slides.
No, she meant two as in like one for me, one for you. It's fine. We appreciate it. One is enough, but that was good. If you guys are coming here, I mean, that experience, you probably want to do it 10 times. Thank you so much for accommodating it. Janu. That did nice. That did nice. All right.
Get myself in that video when you're saying,
Steve, everybody hear you screaming?
brand new.
That don't look good.
Because it's a vibe. That's what it is. If you're going down a water slide and there's no sound from it and that water slide is not epic
good,
enough.
That's
Like,
it. What's your name?
Steven.
Stephen, and what's your name?
Jillian.
Jillian and Stephen.
Yeah,
And this is your second time.
This is my second time.
Yeah, I told her this morning, welcome back. And
Yeah.
Jillian,
First
for you,
time,
I said, welcome again.
Yo, big shout out to Roland for making that all happen just now. Yo, that slide was, I think it's everything that you would want from a slide. Reason being, it starts out feeling a little bit scary because it's dark. Then you can see stuff and then it just gets super fast. It's amazing, man. Yo, and shout out to, what's your name again?
Donovan.
Donovan. Shout out to Donovan. Is it me?
There's a whole lot of barrage of righteous woman in town.
Hey.
And the rain giving up. And the rain giving up.
vibes. Yo, Jamaica man, vibes.
Muscular.
And slideshow, Pat.
Yo. There goes the photos. Going across, yo, channel. Yo. Oh, there goes Beans. Yo. So for those persons who are not vloggers, don't have cameras, they have cameras set up here to take pictures of you guys. So you don't know the things that already can pay for your photos and have those memories forever. Look at the eyes.
Biggie, murder.
Yo, who is this?
Oh, you're talking
Oh,
to
this
me?
nice.
I'm so sorry, baby, but I just stay in Chiloni. Sorry, you're talking to me. You never know.
That's cute.
God. I come Donovan.
Oh my God, I was just running a joke, but I'm ready as you said ready then. What you
Alright,
want to
let's
do?
go. Donovan want to do a song for you.
Oh, which song you want to sing?
Sing what you want to sing. What you want to sing?
I'm just clapping, man, and see what can come there. You know,
Already. Hey, hey, hey.
In my school days, enough things me remember. Me grow up with my grandma and my grandpa. Me rush from school after school over. Say with me leather bag over me shoulder. Me take off me khaki, me put pan hanger. Me sit down in the kitchen pan the matter. I hold the buckle lamp for me grandmother. People them a pass come me born suffer. And me have one pair of shoes say that a gator. Two pair of shoes say that a gator. Me have two brother, me have three sister. Me are the only one that work as a entertainer. Me no head back and back me with the amplifier. Before me start me sing me bun a spliff a ganja. Maybe go for me friend them we work on good up. Almighty God no we not take no oath. We not go sail away from banana boat. I know you me no run up your mouth. In me youth there's enough things me remember. Me go up with me grandma and me grandpa. Me rush from school after school over. I am in love now with Patricia.
So we just call Ian Jababuram. You guys know Aya, so Aya talk to them right now. So our fans, I know you think it's tired.
Oh my God, I love you so much.
Alright guys, so we are about to leave. Just now they were saying, yo, why we come on whenever I tell them that we do YouTube. Honestly, whenever I try to do these videos, I try to do it as normal as a regular person so that we get the same experience that I can give you guys the reviews as best as I can give you guys the reviews. It was later on that I realized, you know, who we were, whatever the case is. So I know that the reception, the vibes, the vibration, everything was amazing. Of course, bear in mind, if you come here where there's a lot more people, then it might be a little bit different, but still, you see me, Chukka Cove has done a really good job with this place, you know, improving it and still keeping it afloat even throughout these times. Anyway, I'm hungry and we need to head to Kingston because the next time you see us, we are going to be basking off into a different adventure. Remember these 3 things?
Love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.